Hi guys, it's Michael here. Today I'm probably out of town, so I'm making a filler episode. I'm going to be picking a lock. It's completely locked, just to show you. One reason you shouldn't buy master locks. They're easy to pick. Let me do that again, show it wasn't just luck. Yep, I have that in. Not just luck. Third time. And just to let you know, I don't practice on this lock a lot. So, master locks are just flat out easy to pick. Wouldn't recommend use them for anything too important. Well, thanks for watching that quick episode, and well, bye.